Now, we rarely come up with headphone reviews, simply because there are a lot to choose from. But the MPOW Flame series is there in Amazon's top picks, and we thought why not check out why everyone is buying them. Also, a big shout out to MPOW for sending these units all the way here, and this is our review of the MPOW Flame Bluetooth Headphones. Now this here is the MPOW Bluetooth Headphones, and these ones cost some $22. While these may put them in the budget headphones category, these actually are pretty good. Anyways, right off the bat, it comes in a pretty sweet packaging. You get a case which you can carry around to put these in when not in use. There's the USB cable to charge it, and you also get some extra earbuds in various sizes. A little warning there to charge them using a 5-volt charger. The headphones themselves look stylish, but it resembles the Beats headphones, the wireless Power Beats, which actually cost quite a lot. These, however, cost less than quarter that price and look equally good. The wire is of good length, just enough to go around your neck and not too long. All the buttons are on the right. The power button also doubles as the play or pause button and to pick up calls. The volume buttons are on the top, with which you can also switch to previous or next songs with a long press. The ear hooks certainly help to keep these snugly fit in your ears. The earbuds are quite comfortable and you can keep them in your ears for quite a long time as well. These are specially designed for working out, so they obviously have to be comfortable. Plus, these are IPX7 water resistance, which means you can drop it up to 1 meter of water and they'll still work. This feature makes them sweat-proof, which is best for working out, but it is also usable when raining lightly. Overall, the wire and the rubber plastic mold constructions appears pretty durable. The ear hooks are flexible enough to bend without breaking, and the rest of it doesn't feel cheap at all. I mean, you don't get a budget headphone vibe from it at all. The connectivity is standard Bluetooth 4.1. It works up to a range of close to 10 meters. The sound quality is really impressive. Of course, these are not the best sounding headphones out there, but these really did impress me. These headphones also claim to have the true definition sound and deep bass, and while the true definition sound part might be true, I found the bass just okay. No doubt that whatever you listen to on these, they sound crisp, rich, and have great clarity. I mean, I began understanding the lyrics of those songs that I've been singing wrong to this day. However, if you like to drop the bass or into heavy bass music, then these are not for you. The bass on them isn't bad, it's just that it doesn't offer as much bass as some other headphones do. It does have noise cancellation on the mic, which makes for good call quality too. The earbuds block external noise very effectively as well. Once you put them on, you can easily forget whatever is going around you. In terms of battery, these headphones claim about 7 to 9 hours battery life, and that is a pretty close estimate. I always got about close to 7 hours of battery life on a full charge on my phone. However, when connected to a laptop, these doesn't last as long. The 100 mAh battery charges up pretty quickly in just some 1.5 hours, give or take 5 minutes. And for something that's wireless, I guess that's a pretty good amount. All in all, these headphones do pretty well in all the aspects: comfort, durability, functionality, and sound quality. These headphones cost $22, and we all know there are so many other headphones out there that cost a bit more but don't perform as well in all these aspects. But these ones do, except for a few shortcomings. Now, these are not widely available in Nepal, but you can order them from Amazon. We'll provide the link in the description below, so do check it out. So that's been it for our review of the MPOW Flame Bluetooth Headphones. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Until next time, I'm Johnson for Gadget Byte. Namaste.